This morning, my old customer feedback met a problem of rubber press machine. Let's see how I help customer solve the problem very easily. Now here, this is the customer's feedback. Last time, it had some oil leakage, and then the customer dismantled the oil tank and fixed the connection. And my last time gathered. Now the customer feedback. They met another problem. The machine was set at automatically mode. The machine does not work. This is the video he sent. Let us see. See the pressure. It can't get to work pressure. Here, the customer feedback. The machine don't want busting because the hydraulic pump cannot reach the setting pressure at 10. This is another video. This is set working pressure 90 times. This is the gas pressure 80 times. Now this is hydraulic pressure meter. This pressure meter is about 6 ampere. In this machine, it's more than 30 times pressure here. I told the customer, if at this pressure, it's already 30 times. If at 5 ampere. But here it's nearly 6 ampere. So let me count. According to my count, when the pressure meter at this pressure, it's 38 times pressure. This is customer sent me video about the normal working stage. Take a look at it. The pressure can go up. This is the gas procedure. Both touch screen and here the pressure meter. It all works well. This is normal work state for the machine. So according to customer's feedback, I give my guidance. Here above the pressure meter, I have a adjustment button here. It can adjust the oil flow, so it can adjust the pressure. I ask the customer to do this. Turn the button to add direction. And very soon, customer feedback work with properly and automatic mode after the customer adjusts the pressure until 12 drops. So very soon and very easy, we solved the problem. So when you purchase the machine from me, no matter what problem you might, just ask me. Thank you. Bye.